it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I have a fun 4th of July themed project share for you. I'm using the Photo Play Red, White, and Blue collection by Michelle Coleman. It is a gorgeous collection of patriotic themed papers, and I had a lot of fun using it. Everything that I've used on here paper-wise and sticker-wise come from this collection. The design of this folio was inspired by Rosa Kelly of Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. Rosa posted this tutorial a couple of years ago, and it was kind of my gateway into folios and mini albums. I was a card maker up until that point, but boy, once I tried this, I was hooked. It's very simple and fun to make, and I would highly recommend you check it out if you haven't done so already. So on the front, I've covered it with this fun fireworks paper, and then I've matted it with the star paper. This is a cut apart from the collection, which I've also matted on the star paper. I've backed it onto some chipboard to add some dimension, and I've used these, they're called peel-offs. They're from Love from Lizzie. It's just these glittery strips that just, kind of give it some, like a frame. That's what I was going for. And then if you see all this sparkle and flash happening on these fireworks, I used these Dazzle stickers. These are from Hot Off the Press. I get them from Paper Wishes, and I have them in every color and basically use them on everything. And just to show you, these are the peel-offs from Love from Lizzie. You can get them right from her website. I made this using 110-pound Recollections cardstock. Now, the color that I used is this cream color, which was a little bright, I thought, for the paper collection, but I didn't have anything that I thought really went. So what I did is I just gave it a distressed look with this Distress Oxide ink in Vintage Photo. I pretty much put that on all of the border areas. And I mean, you don't have to go all the way in because your paper is going to be covering most of it. I left an 1/8 of an inch border all the way around. And so, yeah, it didn't really take too much extra time, and I really liked the vintage kind of look that it gave, and thought that it tied in well with the papers. This folio measures 8.5 by 6, and it has a 1-inch spine. So it's a very small footprint, but this little folio can house at least 30 photos, and I'm not talking tiny photos. I'm talking 4 by 6s, and in some cases even 5 by 7s, and I'll point those areas out to you. So again, this is the spine, and this is the back of the folio. And let's get right into it. It does have a magnetic closure on it, and it opens up like this. And you've got this fun banner paper. This Freedom is a sticker from the collection. This is also a sticker from the collection, but still leaving plenty of room for photos on these pages. Then this flips out again. So you've kind of got, mirrored pages right here, which I think is fun. It says Brave. But the difference is this side opens up. So you've got this side flips open like this. And then it flips down like that for photos on both of those. And then when we close these up, it also flips out one more time. And so, I mean, these are very large. Just the mats on these alone, that's 8.25 by 5. So, great opportunities for 4 by 6 pictures. You've got room for journaling. It's going to leave a nice border, so you're not going to cover up all of this beautiful paper. So when we close this back up a little bit, take it back to the center, this center portion, which is larger, by the way. Let me get a measurement on that for you. That is 8.25 by 5.5. So that is an opportunity for a 5x7 picture. And this flips open. And at the bottom here, you have a waterfall feature. And again, lots of room for pictures. These are sized for 3x5 pictures. And the reason I did not cover them with paper is because putting a 3x5 picture on there is going to leave you a nice red border. And I just think that that looks nice and finished when you're putting your pictures in. So lots of space for pictures there. And then when we come down, this section up here also opens up and opens again. And here's another one of those larger spaces that would be perfect for a 5x7, 4x6s on the side. So that is the Folio. I think it is a brilliant, simple design that isn't too complicated, so even a novice in memory keeping could feel comfortable using this, and with a little double-sided tape have a beautiful treasured heirloom all put together in no time. So I make things like this and give them to friends a lot because I encourage people to get their pictures off of their phones and into something like this that's simple and fun and you know, just a great way to store your pictures without really taking up any space. I like to actually store these on end like a book, and they just stand right up. You can put them together on a bookshelf, group them, label them on the side, and you know, have one for every single season. I just think they're fantastic. And again, I encourage you to check out Rose's tutorial and make one for yourself. I hope that everyone has a wonderful 4th of July, and thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye.